Assalamu alaikum to बच्चों आज पढ़ो इसी fifth of math parts and wholes. Bisma got question number 4. Bisma got prize money of rupees 100. She gave 1/10 prize of money to her sister, 4/10 of prize money to her mother, and 1/2 of prize money to her mother. How much does she left? ये question. Let's look at total price of money. Solution like total TOTL total price PRIC total price money 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 such rupees 100. It is already rupees 100. Money gave to her sister. Money gave to her sister. So के टाइम क्या दिउत पनी बे money is equal to of rupees 100. Had mans kota diutim pani system mas switch deva 1/10 go 1/, so rupees, therefore 1/2 1/10 zarbe 10 100 0 to 0 shun 10 ones are 10 go da rupees 10 rupees. Money 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 gave GIVE gave to her mother. For sister chidima idare 1/10 go ye kya chidima madre go mother chidima ye 4/10 so therefore rupees 4/10 zarbe goes 100 so go 0 to 0 chun 10 40s are 40 rupees. Money MONEY gave to her father. Panis muilis kota dun 1/2 therefore 1/2 of rupees rupees 100 so go 1/2 into 100 1 2 2 0 5 is 10 0 go 0 50 is 50 go 50 go adra as panza go adra panza money she keeps money 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 she keeps for her self so goes is equal to rupees 100 so goes da jama tsaji jama panza goes half minus half is equal to 0 go ms this to the kin case ili devan cho 1/10 devan cho hat man 1/10 devan cho mis tachin roza mis da or ye devan da mis ili 1/100 man jo 4/10 tachin mis roza tsaji और पति लिए 1/2 देवन छो तच रोजा एमिस 50 वो ये ट्रन में जमा करो सो छ आइस 100 से वालो सो रोद 100 और अत रोद न बाकी तीन ब्याक क्वेश्चन and question number 5 an hour has 60 minutes how many minutes are there in 5/2 of hours दपा एक्किस an hour has 60 minutes. Ekis gantas man shared minute. How many minutes are 5/4 hour? 5/6 hour man kotya minute asan. Go solution it kanan. Minutes in 1 hour is equal to shared second. Minutes in 5/6 hour. So go 5/6 of 60. So go 5/6 zarbe 60. Cheda hai 60. Go 5 into 10 is equal to 50 minutes. इंटेंट गो आज गो इतना पक्का करो इस बेस सवाल इंशाल्लाह थैंक यू